It's a cute one. He's going after Lorenzo Kane saying, please help me. All these fans cheering for me?
Yeah, look here. Let's see. He just wants to do love. Come on, Loki. Look me up. Nope. Loki says, he's got other things. Never mind.
And there's only one guy going for the cat. And I don't know if he's going to be able to catch it.
He's going to climb the wall. Watch this.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out.
You know, there you go.
He's going to do that. He's the glove.
There's that scene from many years ago.
Seattle.
Yeah.
Same thing.
He's doing it again. You've got to hold them from the back of their neck. Just like the mama does. Got it.
You can pick me up like that.
He said, I'm out of here.
No. Maxwell.
Quit! I got a PlayStation!
No, it is.
Okay, when you're ready to come out, it's as if someone pulls you up through the left arm and you press into your feet, and then you move your feet around. If you want to take the block with you, you'll just have to get it and bring it around. And we do the same thing on the other side. Arms out to the side, inhaling.
Okay, this is the cat really pissed at Greg for some reason, and we can't figure out why. She keeps attacking, and he can't get by. Behave. Oh, she's really hungry.
Take it.
I decided to get rid of my lovely cat. He's free with a litter box. He's free with a litter box. I'll get cat food. He loves to play. I think he's teething. Oh! Stop it! He's very loving and kind. I'm saying nice things about you. Go away. He loves kids. If you have bad kids, especially, let him play with them. Right, Kitty? Such a good boy. Ugh! Ow! He's very affectionate and loving. What's the matter? Leave me alone. He's free. He's free. He's fixed. He has all his shots. He doesn't spray. Ow! He's a good cat. And he's free to anybody. Oh! Oh! He's free to anybody that wants him. He needs a loving home. I travel a lot. Ow! I think he gets naughty when he watches Cats from Hell. Stop it. I don't know what's wrong. Go. This cat is stressing me out. I don't want him anymore. If you want him, let me know and I will pack him up in a box today and give him to you for free.